roll this back window down for me, please?
Sorry, why am I pulled over?
Can you roll this back window down for me? I can come up there.
Tell me why you pulled me over first.
I can barely hear you back here.
Tell me why you pulled me over first, please. Why am I pulled over?
I'm sorry, a little bit louder.
Oh, sorry, don't have to.
Okay, if you roll your window down, I can come up there and chat with you.
Why am I pulled over, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
Why am I pulled over?
Okay, I'm stopping you because this vehicle contains a seize tag order, okay? Is this your vehicle?
It's my son's. What order?
Seize the tag. Do you have your ID on you?
Why is there a seize tag order?
I don't know. I have to run a bunch of things, okay? Is it your vehicle or is it registered to you?
No.
Okay. Do you have the registration and insurance?
I'm sure it's in here, but I don't know where.
What's that?
I said, I'm sure it's in here, but I don't know where. This is not my vehicle.
Okay. I'll let you, ma'am.
Hmm?
I'll let you look for it, okay? You find it, hold your hand out the window for me. I'll come back up and get it, okay? Good check.
I need the registration.
All right, ma'am.
Insurance.
All right, I have your ID here, okay? So I did set you for not having insurance on the vehicle,
This
okay?
is not my vehicle.
I know, but you're in possession of it. You're driving it. So whoever's driving it is responsible at the time they're driving it.
Since when?
Since always. Okay, you're taking possession of the vehicle. You're driving it right now, okay? You're responsible.
I just want my ID. I'm not taking that ticket. I'm not responsible for something I didn't know was going on with the insurance.
Okay, so it's your responsibility to know when you're driving a vehicle,
No,
okay?
It's not. No, it's not.
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I have insurance.
Okay, this vehicle does not have insurance, okay? And you are driving it. You're the operator.
I'll take
Okay.
my license. Keep
Everything
the
is
ticket.
in this.
I will take my license.
Okay.
Keep the ticket.
204, can I have another?
You
All
can
right.
keep the ticket.
So your driver's license is inside? Okay.
Yeah, the ones down the street from the house. I'm
Ma'am.
on the side road. I'll take my license.
Okay, so by taking the citation, it's not an admission of guilt,
I'm
okay?
taking that.
It has
I
everything
don't
explained
believe-
on there.
I don't want.
And you don't have to.
I don't want to.
Okay.
Twice.
Are you gonna listen to
Something will be mailed to me? No, I'm actually done with the conversation. I just want my license.
Okay, so I can't not give you the citation, okay? That would be me failing to provide you the information, okay?
So, what do you want to keep the license and I get a new one?
No, I don't need to keep your license.
I'm not taking it.
So everything's in here, okay?
What'd you say? Huh? No, because she's trying to give me a citation talking about because I didn't, because there's no insurance on the car. He can come, but how far is he? This is some bullshit.
So by him showing up, that doesn't do anything. The
Does he
vehicle
have
needs
the proof of
insurance.
insurance?
In the system, it says
Does
it
he
does
have
not
the
have
proof of
insurance.
No, because if that man has the proof and something's wrong or glitched in your system, because they're
You
on their
understand
way
that's
here.
a state of Florida, right?
They're on their way here. I don't.
From
listen,
where?
Listen, things can happen in the computer system.
No, I totally
They
agree.
can.
Yeah, things
So,
can
I
happen
would
in
like
the
to wait.
computer.
If this man has proof that there is actual insurance on this car and y'all system haven't caught up, I'd like to wait before I take that whole envelope. Because I'm not
Okay,
doing it.
good chat. So his son who owns the vehicle is on the way. The vehicle doesn't have insurance, so I said it's for insurance.
Okay.
She said it's not hers, so she's not responsible. She will not take the citation. She says her son's on the way. I don't know for what reason. She thinks he can provide insurance, but...
Is there a seize tag on it?
Yes, but it's under his name.
Okay. So she has to get out of the car. We're going to do the impound, the whole 9 yards.
Sounds good. I don't think she'll get out. Okay.
Well, she's going to have to, unfortunately.
Hey, ma'am. 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 May I have you step out of the vehicle, please? My corporal's here. He can also explain it to you if you'd like.
I don't want to step out the vehicle.
All right, well, you have to step out of the vehicle, okay?
Not.
You do?
You have to get out of the vehicle, please.
I'm going to go ahead and start recording.
Sure.
Okay.
We're recording on our body cams as well.
Now, why do I have to get out the car and show me in writing? Why?
We don't need to show you in writing, okay?
So, how the hell?
So here's the deal. We're going to seize the vehicle if you're not willing to be cooperative.
No,
This
you
could have
can
been a
wait
simple
until I call
citation.
AAA.
Can you pinch this car in from the rear? I'm gonna get the front.
Okay.
Take the tag and wait for me to get AAA, and we'll get it right to our house, right around the corner, because I know you see the address, and we can do it that way. I'm not taking my son's vehicle.
Okay, so here's the deal. You don't get the say in how this works, okay? Because you're making this difficult, now I'm going to seize the vehicle.
This is not my car. Now you're giving me a citation for something that I'm not responsible for, that he didn't even know about. I'm not making it difficult. You guys act like everybody's supposed to be sunshiny happy. First of all, when you first approach the car, you're telling me to roll the window down like you can't walk over here and speak to me like I'm a person.
You're good.
Yeah, I asked you to roll the back window down because I couldn't see all the way through it.
See what? What do you need to see?
To see if there's anyone in the back seat.
Why?
I don't want to get shot.
Sweetheart, if that's
It
how
happens.
you think, you should not be a police officer.
Because it never
Why
happens.
would somebody pull over and then just shoot you because you're walking up? I don't know what happens. I didn't take the oath. I don't know your job.
Okay.
I know that I'm a civilian. You can shoot me too.
I don't want
Does
to
that
shoot you.
Okay, so why would I want to shoot you? Why would anybody?
I don't know
in the
that.
backseat? It's broad daylight. You can see clear through this car.
With the windows up, it's difficult.
What do you have that says this car has been involved in anything close to that?
What do you mean?
You looked up the tag, right? Before you stopped me, before you pulled me, did you see anything about this car being involved in any type of activity where somebody was in a back seat and tried to attack an officer? Or anything, or any crime, or anything, any disorderly
She's still refusing.
misconduct.
Okay. So, hello, ma'am. I'm Corporal May with Florida Police. How are you? You're recording on your phone, correct? I'm recording on my body camera. Okay. There's a seize tag order on this vehicle. All right. This vehicle does not have insurance. This vehicle is not able to
her
be
son
driven
and
on the road.
daughter's on their way.
You are currently in this vehicle.
Okay.
Okay.
They're not far.
Take the tag and wait for me to get AAA to tow our vehicle back home, which is less than 5 minutes away. It's in walking
No,
distance.
this vehicle is going to be impounded. This vehicle doesn't have insurance. It cannot be on the roadway. It cannot have a tag. There's a seize tag order. Okay, so right now, technically you've committed a crime, okay? You're committing obstruction. You're refusing to get out of the vehicle when asked to do so. It's a lawful order. It's an order that you have to comply with. All right? I'm asking you nicely, please get out of the vehicle. All right?
Stay there.
Hello. Yep. Just hang out over there, buddy. You're good. Relax.
I'll come chat with you in a minute.
Sit down. Record.
Are you going hands on?
Yeah, I'm gonna put her in cuffs.
Okay.
I just want my license. I'm not taking that envelope. Can I have my license, please?
All right, you can stand up. Road, face the car for me. Put everything on top. Drop it.
We're going to tell you everything.
Come get my stuff.
This time, okay?
Come get my stuff. This is what happens
Stop.
in Trump
Hang
country.
it over there, buddy. Don't come over here right now. We'll tell you everything that's going on.
204, 110
Y'all kidding, right? Come get my license and stuff too. I can talk to my son.
Alright, do you have anything on you gonna poke me, stick me, cut me? Knives, needles, weapons of any sort, bombs? Ma'am? Okay, spread your feet. Wider. There you go. Alright, ma'am, walk back this way.
Will you unlock my doors,
Yes.
please?
We're gonna walk on the other side of the car.
Yep. This officer over here will explain everything to you in a second. I'm not the one in charge. Just give us a second, all right?
Is the car going to be towed?
It is.
Okay, understandable.
So it has a seize tag order, I guess. Let's just get out of the shit. I don't want to get by a car, buddy.